Hey yo, in this video I'm teaching you how to make kill parts, just like here. And also I'm just showing you how to make kind of a basic building tutorial on making trails like here, where you have to deal with negating and unions. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's start in Roblox Studio by choosing a base plate or one of your games in experiences. Now, essentially how a kill part works is that you have a part, and when it's touched, so when a player walks up to it and touches it, their health is reset to 0, in which case that's the equivalent of dying or being reset in Roblox. And how we can make our own kill parts, we'll do that by first going to scale, and you can just modify the part to however you want it to look like and how large you want it to be. And often kill parts are red, so I'm going to color mine red as well, but the color doesn't matter at all. And lastly, you can name your kill part, for example kill part, so that it just stands out in the workspace and you won't get confused. But that too doesn't matter. And now within your kill part, when you select it in Explorer, you'll see this highlighted in blue, and next to it you have a plus when you hover on it. Just click that plus and insert a script, which you can do by typing in script and choosing the grey one. And how this script differs to the others is that it works for all players in Roblox. And now we'll just define what the kill part is, and then we'll check if whatever is touching it is a player, and then when we know that it's a player, we can reset the player's health to 0. We'll start by first defining what the kill part is, what the part that we want to check for touching is, which as we conveniently have our script within the part, we can just do local kill part is script.parent. And then we'll check if the kill part has been touched, which we can do by killPart.touched. And then whenever that happens, we'll connect it to a function. And the nice thing about the touching function is that you get the part that touched, well, the other part. So we'll just call this, a part. And now if the part's parent actually has a humanoid in it, we'll know that it's a player. And in that case, we can do the local player, because we know who's the player that is touching this. And then we'll do exactly what Roblox Studio is suggesting us. So game.players. So pretty much over here, players. And then we'll get player from character, which will be part.parent. So that's essentially the model that, and we're getting the player from it, right? And then now that we have the player, we can just take the player's character. So player.character, and then humanoid, which a character has. And then we'll do the health attribute within a humanoid, and we'll just set that to 0. And now we have a part that kills us. Yep. And now if we want to obify our game, which often kill parts are used for, you can just go over to your kill part and move. And then you'll hit Ctrl D, or you can come here and click duplicate. And as you can see, it creates another identical part with just the same script inside. And now you'll move one of those parts further. And now Ctrl D again, move. Ctrl D again, move. And we have one of these obbies that you jump over each part. Another classic obstacle is the one where you have a kill part all around, And then you have a trail that you have to, well, my explanation doesn't make much sense, but I'll have a picture here on the screen. So how we'll make that is we'll select a part, and then we'll just scale it a bit. So this one's going to be the wide part, the part that'll kill you. So I'll make that red for clarity. And now we'll make that trail, which we can do by inserting another part. And now make sure your part goes past the killing part. So you might have to scale it a bit. But there, as you can see, now it goes from both sides way over the killing part. And I'm just going to make it a bit wider for the player. And now you can scale it how much you like and make your custom trail. So how I'm doing this is I'll just click Ctrl D, and then I'm going to rotate them a bit, move the parts, Ctrl D again, move it a bit here, and then I might scale this a bit longer than the other parts, Ctrl D again. Oh, I guess it didn't take it, but Ctrl D again. And then I'm just going to move this a bit. And then I'll scale it. And now how I'm going to do this is holding Ctrl whilst selecting every single part of our trail. And now I'm going to model here, up here, and I'm going to click Union. And now we have all of our trail parts together in one union, or essentially one bigger part. And now how I'm going to do this is I'm going to my union and I'm clicking negate. And then I'm going to hold Ctrl whilst clicking at my kill part. And then I'm going to click union. And what that does is it removes the negated part, or well, actually it unites both of the parts, but because one of them is negated, it gets removed. And now you might notice that you have this annoying color on the side of your part, because now you have only one single part. You can go over to your union's properties, and here you go to data and use part color and just tick that. And now it removes the other color, or well, the remnants of the negated part. And yep, now you have I'm not sure what these are called, but one of these obby trail thingies. And oh yeah, now that you have the part, you actually want it to kill you when you touch the red part. So you can go over to your kill part script and just duplicate it, but this time only duplicate the script, and then drag one of the scripts into your whatever these are called. And yep, now it should work too. One thing I actually forgot to mention is that if you don't want your kill part to kill the player immediately, you can go over to the script and you can actually change this. So you can make each kill part only remove like 50% or out of their total of 100 health, only 50. Or you could make it remove health. So you actually, this won't kill them because this will set the health to 50, but it won't set it to 0. But if you want your script to remove health, not kill the player directly, what you can do is minus equal, and then whatever, how much you want a part or per touch to remove your player's health. So I could do 10. And what this essentially means is that you have the player's character humanoid health, which will be equal to the player's character's humanoid health, but it will minus, it will subtract 10 every time. So every time the game detects a touch, it'll remove 10 health, as you can see here. Yeah. And that's it. If I didn't cover something that you think is necessary for your obby or your game, leave a comment down below and I can try to explain how you can do whatever I omitted in this video. That's it. Thank you for watching.